Hey guys, I have the Boxycharm for the month of February. It just came in, so I thought I'd go ahead and record this quick video for you guys. I did re-record this again for the second time right now because my baby got up from his nap, and so I had to attend to him, and I didn't know where I had left off or anything, so I was like, screw it, let me just start over. Okay, so first things first, this is the card for the month. It's called the Galaxy Glow. So I thought everything in here would be very shimmery and, you know, things like that. So I will go through each and every one of them, but only two of the products are really shimmery and galaxy kind of effect to them. For first up is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette, and this is worth $39.99. This is a holographic palette, and it looks like this. I absolutely love the packaging. I love how holographic it is. It's a little cardboard box like that, and it comes with 6 holographic highlighters. I love these kinds of highlighters that are duochromy like this for the inner corner highlights. You can put them on top of highlights just to kind of like give a pop. You can also use them on top of your eyelids to kind of like transition a shade and kind of like really make it pop and different. So I absolutely love it. I love that it comes with 6 of the shades and how big the pans are. It comes with a gold, a blue, a green. This one is kind of like a pinky coral, a purple, and then this one is kind of like a little bit of a, I would say kind of like a, I don't know how to describe it because it's so hard to describe, but it's almost like a, it looks kind of like a pinky magenta color in here, but then it has a blue shift to it, so it's very, very beautiful. I did swatch one right here on my hand, so you guys can see right there when I was recording for the first time, and it does have a magnetic clasp to it, so it does shut nicely. So I am so excited for that one. And something that it reminds me of is the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, but of course this one is very, very tiny. As you can see, the pans on here are extremely small, and you only get 4 shades compared to this one that comes with 6. So it's really nice that you're getting this in your Boxycharm because, I mean, these look absolutely just, I'm telling you, they just look absolutely beautiful. I just can't wait to play around with these. Next up in here is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. This is worth $28. It says that it's a multi-purpose eye cream, and it came in this little box right here, and the color is Amethyst, and it's beautiful and pink. This is what it looks like dried down. It's very metallic-y and very beautiful. I can't wait to play with this. I think this is going to look beautiful on the lids. I just have to make sure that it doesn't crease. Let me know if you guys want a review on this, or if you guys want a review in comparison to the Stila ones that I absolutely love. I'd love to do that for you guys if you're interested. This seems like so much fun. It says you can apply it and anywhere on the face, but it seems a little too intense for me to apply it anywhere else. To me, this is more for an eyeshadow look. If they had other colors that were a little bit more subdued, maybe I would use those for my face, but this to me is more of an all over eyelid shade, or for like the inner corner, things like that, just because of the shade that it is. Next product that came in the Boxycharm is the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil, and this is worth $21. It's a smoky eye pencil that is very, very creamy. I actually smoked it out here on my hand the first time I recorded this, and I'll go ahead and show you guys again. It's just a very matte pencil, but if you're someone who likes to like really smudge your eyeliner, I like the fact that it's very creamy, so you can really smudge it out easily, so that is going to be fun to play with. Next thing in the Boxycharm is the Safranine Botanical Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. This is worth $24. It comes in this packaging right here with a little lemon plant on it. It's super natural. It has 92% plant-based. It's vegan. It has avocado, apricot, and jojoba oils. It's shea and cocoa butter. It smells like lemon. It's super, super strong smelling, and this is actually what it looks like. It's a little tube, and it's basically a lip scrub, and the smell of lemon on this is incredible. It's just super, super strong and very lemony, and you just basically scrub it on your lips and then pour water and, you know, just rinse it off. I am such a lip scrub junkie. I absolutely need them, especially lately. My lips, especially the bottom one, just really needs lip scrubs all the time. Let me know what your favorite lip scrub is down below so I can maybe check it out, because I am on the hunt for the perfect lip scrub. But this one seems really, really nice. I love the smell. Like I said, it's like a really, really strong lemon smell, so excited to try that out. And the last thing in here is the Crown Pro Trio brush set. This thing was like in so much plastic that it made so much noise, which is the reason that my son got up. So this time around, I'm just gonna leave the plastic in here, but that is all the plastic from these brushes. So it comes with 3 brushes, and this is worth $29.99. It says that it's a Pro Brush Trio to contour your face. So it says that the small brush is for concealing and highlighting underneath your eyes, the medium one is to sculpt your cheeks, and the large one is a large powder brush. So for me, I don't think I would use those like that. This small one, it says, is for concealing and to set your under eye. I actually would use this for all over my eyelid, or to set a paint spot or a primer on my eyelid. This one, the medium one that's for sculpting, I would use it for sculpting just as how round and dense it is. I think it would look really, it would work really, really nice for contouring your face, and maybe even like buffing your cheeks with a little bit of, my words can't come out, a little bit of blush, but mainly I think I would use this for contouring just because of how dense and nice it is. And the last one they say is a powder brush, but I'm really into big fluffy powder brushes like these, and as you can see, this one's really, really tiny beside my powder brushes, so this to me would take forever to actually set my face with. This I really like for setting underneath the eye. I think I would use this really nicely underneath there to set my concealer, or even as a blush brush. So that's what I would use this one for. And those are all the things that came in this month's Boxycharm. I will, as always, put the amount of the total value around here so you guys know how much the value of the box is with all the products that came in my box. Overall, Boxycharm is $21 a month if you subscribe. They do give me a personal link that if you use my link to subscribe to Boxycharm, I do get a compensation. It's not necessary for you to do it. I am grateful if you do use my link. And yeah, it just kind of really helps my channel and for me to be able to buy products to review and things like that. So yeah, so as always, thank you guys for watching, for subscribing. Let me know what you guys think of this month's box. I'm super excited to really try the Naked Cosmetics. I think this is the thing that called to me the most just because of how beautiful these shades are. And also the Cover FX. The thing that I liked the least would have to be this vintage pencil, just because I'm not someone to smudge eyeliner, and this is, I can just already tell that it's very smudgy, so I don't think it would set, and I like eyeliner to really set and stay in place. So and then the brushes are nice. I haven't had the best experience with crown brushes, but you know, lately the ones that I have been getting from different subscriptions boxes have been good, so I will go ahead and give them a second chance. And then the lip scrub I think I would really, really like just because of the lemon scent, and then also I just love lip scrubs. So yeah, I'd love to hear back from you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button down below, and until next time, bye guys.